Hello, good morning students. Now the next important point. This is an important point because we have to solve many problems for this point. Issue of debentures from the point of view of redemption. Redemption refers to paying back the money of the debenture holders. And debentures may be redeemed either at par or at premium according to the terms laid down at the time of issue. Okay. When a company issues debentures, normally the terms are fixed while issuing the debentures. About redemption also. Redemptionचा अर्थ तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे. Redemption of debenture means discharge of liability on account of debentures by repayment made to the debenture holders. Means redemption means repayment of debenture holders amount. Okay, and as I told you, the debentures may be redeemed at par or at premium. Depending upon the terms and conditions of issue and redemption of debentures, 6 situations are found as follows. See, in case 1, issued at par and redeemable at par. Issued at par means debenture of ₹100 will be issued at ₹100, and the condition of redemption is it is also redeemable at par means at ₹100. Okay, म्हणजे ₹100 डिबेंचर ₹100 इश्यू केला होता शेअर होल्डरला ॲट पार, आणि ॲट द टाईम ऑफ रिडम्शन त्याला ₹100 परत केले जाणार आहेत. जर एक डिबेंचर घेतला असं आपण गृहीत धरलं तर ज्यावेळेला त्याला इश्यू केला त्यावेळेला डिबेंचर होल्डरकडनं ₹100 घेतलेत आणि रिडम्शनच्या वेळेला त्याला ₹100च परत केले जाणार आहेत. दिस इज द फर्स्ट कंडिशन. सेकंड कंडिशन, इश्यूड ॲट प्रीमियम अँड रिडीमेबल ॲट पार मीन्स डिबेंचर ऑफ ₹100 विल बी इश्यूड ॲट the amount more than ₹100. For example, if the debenture is issued at ₹120, then the debenture is said to be issued at premium, and it will be redeemable at par. Means while issuing the debenture to the debenture holder, it was issued at premium, means we have taken amount from the debenture holder ₹120. But while redemption, it is redeemable at par, means we will pay back amount ₹100 only. Okay, this is the second condition. Now third condition is issued at discount, redeemable at par means debenture of ₹100 will be issued at the amount less than ₹100. For example, if debenture of ₹100 issued at ₹90, then it is said that the debenture is issued at discount, but it is redeemable at par means at the time of making payment we will pay the amount to the debenture holder ₹100, that is face value. This is the third condition. Fourth condition, when debenture is issued at par, that is ₹100, for example 100, and redeemable at premium means we will pay him adding the premium amount, say ₹10 or 20 etc. याचा अर्थ आपण डिबेंचर होल्डरला डिबेंचर इश्यू करताना ॲट पार म्हणजे ₹100ला दिलेला आहे, आपण त्याच्याकडून ₹100 घेतलेत, अँड इट इज रिडीमेबल ॲट प्रीमियम मीन्स वाईल गिविंग बॅक द अमाऊंट वी विल पे हिम ₹120. दिस इज अन एक्झाम्पल इफ वी कन्सिडर ₹20 ॲज प्रीमियम. ओके, नाव case fifth, if debenture issued at premium and redeemable at premium म्हणजे इश्यू करायचा आहे मोर दॅन फेस व्हॅल्यूला आणि पे करताना पण मोर दॅन फेस व्हॅल्यू अमाऊंट जी ठरली असेल त्याप्रमाणे ती पेड करायची आहे. अँड द लास्ट केस, इन लास्ट केस दॅट इज सिक्स्थ केस, debenture issued at discount, redeemable at premium. Debenture will be issued at discount, that is for the amount less than face value, and while paying back the money it will be redeemable at premium means it is payable at amount higher than its face value. Understood? Now we will study these all conditions and entries passed in those conditions one by one. Now I have explained here every condition by passing the entries and giving example. See, when debentures are issued at par and redeemable at par. For example, if a debenture of rupees 100 is issued at rupees 100 and is redeemable at rupees 100, following entries will be passed. Entries for issue: bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account rupees 100 and debenture application and allotment account debit 100 to debentures account 100. आपण ह्या एंट्रीज ऑलरेडी शिकलेलो आहोत. इश्यू ऑफ डिबेंचर्सच्या एंट्रीज आहेत. आता एंट्रीज फॉर रिडम्शन: डिबेंचर अकाउंट डेबिट टू डिबेंचर होल्डर्स अकाउंट रुपीज 100 अमाउंट पेएबल टू डिबेंचर होल्डर. दिस इज द एंट्री फॉर अमाउंट पेएबल टू डिबेंचर होल्डर. त्यामुळे नॅरेशनमध्ये बिंग अमाउंट पेएबल टू डिबेंचर होल्डर रुपीज 100 अँड आफ्टरवर्ड्स द एंट्री ऑफ पेमेंट: debenture holders account debit to bank account rupees 100. These are the entries for redemption. Okay. Now when the debentures are issued at discount and redeemable at par. They are issued at discount and redeemable at par. Example is given here. If a debenture of rupees 100 is issued at rupees 95, that is below the face value, it is called as issued at discount, and it is redeemable at rupees 100, that is redeemable at par. Following entries will be passed. First entry for issue: as usual, bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account 95 rupees, and next entry will be debenture application and allotment account debit 95, discount on issue of debentures account rupees 5, that is discount, to debentures account rupees 100. Entries for redemption: debenture account debit to debenture holder account, amount payable to debenture holder, and entry of payment: debenture holders account debit to bank account. Okay. Now the next point: when debentures are issued at a premium and are redeemable at par. See the example. If a debenture of rupees 100 is issued at rupees 105 and is redeemable at rupees 100, as the debentures were issued at premium, in entry there will be security premium reserve and it will be credited. So first entry will be as usual, bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account 105, and next entry will be debenture application and allotment account debit 105 to debentures account 100 to security premium reserve rupees 5. Entries for redemption: debenture account debit to debenture holders account rupees 100 amount payable, and debenture holders account debit to bank account rupees 100 because they are payable, that is redeemable at par. Okay. As we know, security premium reserve is a capital profit and will be shown in reserve and surplus in the balance sheet. Okay. Next point: when the debenture are issued at par and redeemable at a premium. See here, specific condition is given. These debentures are issued at par, but at the time of redemption of these debentures, the company will pay a premium to them. Even though this premium will be paid at the time of actual redemption, it is loss to the company because company has issued the debentures at par. But while redemption, they have to give the premium and it will be the loss to the company. So, at the time of issue, the company records this loss by debiting the account loss on issue of debentures account. Okay. See the example. If a debenture of rupees 100 is issued at rupees 100 and is redeemable at rupees 105, first entry will be as usual, bank account debit rupees 100 to debenture application and allotment account rupees 100. But at the time of second entry, the premium payable at the time of redemption will be shown in the entry of issue. that is second entry. See the entry. Debenture application and allotment account debit 100. Loss on issue of debentures account debit rupees 5. To debentures account rupees 100. To premium on redemption of debentures account rupees 5. या ठिकाणी रिडम्शनच्या वेळी दिला जाणार असलेला प्रीमियम क्रेडिट केलेला आहे 5 रुपये आणि त्यामुळे तो लॉस आहे कंपनीचा, कारण घेताना लोन 100 घेतले, देताना परत 105 द्यायचं आहे. सो हे 5 रुपये प्रीमियमचे लॉस ऑन इश्यू ऑफ डिबेंचर्स अकाउंटला डेबिट केले जातात या एंट्रीमध्ये. ओके. अँड ॲट द टाईम ऑफ रिडम्शन फर्स्ट एंट्री विल बी अमाऊंट पेएबल. डिबेंचर्स अकाउंट डेबिट 100. प्रीमियम ऑन रिडम्शन ऑफ डिबेंचर्स account debit rupees 5. To debenture holders account 105. Amount payable to debenture holder. And while making the payment, debenture holders account debit to bank account 105. In this way we have to pass the entries. Okay. Here loss on issue of debenture account is a loss, obviously, because the company gave promise to pay the debenture holders the amount back at premium. Okay, so this is a capital loss and it will be written off just like discount from capital, from security premium reserve or statement of profit and loss. Okay. Now fifth point. When debentures are issued at a discount and are redeemable at a premium. Here there is double loss because debenture of rupees 100 is issued at rupees 98. Means we are already taking 2 rupees less from the debenture holder. But while making the payment, it is redeemable at rupees 105. Means we are giving them rupees 5 more at the time of repayment. सो टोटल लॉस इज सी रुपीज 7. टोटल लॉस 7 रुपये झाला आहे, कारण 2 रुपये आपण आधीच कमी घेतलेत आणि नंतर आपण 5 रुपये जास्त देणार आहोत, म्हणजे टोटल 7 रुपये लॉस आहे बघा. ओके. सो सी द एंट्रीज हियर. फर्स्ट एंट्री विल बी ॲज युजल बँक अकाउंट डेबिट टू डिबेंचर ॲप्लिकेशन अँड अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट रुपीज 98. डिबेंचर इशूड ॲट डिस्काउंट. अँड सेकंड डिबेंचर ॲप्लिकेशन अँड अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट 98. Loss on issue of debentures account debit 7 rupees total loss. To debenture account 100. To premium on redemption of debentures account 5. Okay. So total loss is debited to loss on issue of debentures account. Now at the time of payment, debenture account debit 100. Premium on redemption of debentures account rupees 5. To debenture holders account 105. Amount payable to debenture holder. And actual payment at the time of actual payment, debenture holders account debit to bank account 105. Okay. And now the last, that is sixth condition. There are total six conditions. When debentures are issued at premium and redeemable at premium. Example is given here. If a debenture of rupees 100 is issued at 106 and is redeemable at 110. म्हणजे डिबेंचर होल्डरला डिबेंचर इश्यू करताना आपण त्याच्याकडून 106 रुपीज घेतलेले आहेत आणि रिडम्शन म्हणजे पेमेंट करताना आपण 110 रुपीज त्याला पे करणार आहोत. ओके. सो द फॉलोइंग एंट्रीज विल बी पास्ड. ॲट द टाईम ऑफ इश्यू बँक अकाउंट डेबिट 106. टू डिबेंचर ॲप्लिकेशन अँड अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट 106. अँड द सेकंड एंट्री विल बी डिबेंचर ॲप्लिकेशन अँड अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट 106. Loss on issue of debentures account debit 10. To debenture account 100. To security premium reserve account 6. To premium on redemption of debentures account 10. Okay. And now entry at the time of redemption. Debenture account debit 100. Premium on redemption of debenture account 10. To debenture holders account 110. And at the time of payment, debenture holders account debit to bank account 110. And lastly, keep it in mind, debentures cannot be redeemed at discount. कंपनीला रिडम्शन करताना ॲट डिस्काउंट डिबेंचर्स रिडीम करता येत नाहीत. बट द कंपनी मे रिडीम इट्स डिबेंचर्स बाय पर्चेसिंग देम इन द ओपन मार्केट ॲट ए डिस्काउंट. पर्चेसिंग इन द ओपन मार्केट ही रिडम्शनची एक कंडिशन आहे जी आपल्याला इन सिलेबस नाही आहे. याचा अर्थ कंपनी ओपन मार्केटमधून आपले स्वतःचे डिबेंचर्स परत परचेस करते आणि इन दॅट वे ते पैसे डिबेंचर होल्डरला त्याचे परत दिले जातात. या वेळेला फक्त ओपन मार्केटमधनं परचेस करताना कंपनी आपले डिबेंचर्स ॲट डिस्काउंट पण परचेस करू शकते. अदरवाईज कंपनी डायरेक्ट रिडम्शन म्हणजे पेमेंट करत असताना ॲट डिस्काउंट कधीही रिडम्शन करू शकत नाही. अंडरस्टूड?